In this part, we are going to demonstrate how to use the unsplash API to get the image, and we will use this to pretend this is the image from the user. So we go to the unsplash API, and if you already registered, you can go to your app, and then we create a new applications. And because I already create this, so I continue to use this. And when you scroll down, you can see there is SS key, so we can use this as SS key. So we copy this and go to our project and go to the directory, and under the root folder we create a new file .env.local, and we should change this to .local, and then we go to add the next public, and then we use the client ID, and we have to use this prefix in order to use this in public. So we need to add this, and then we paste the SS key at here, and then we save it, and then we restart the server because we have added this file. Now you can see it load env from this file, and then in order to access the API, we are better to use the axios. So we type yarn add axios, and then we go to the profile page, and then we close all of this, and then on top we import the axios from axios, and then we use effect, and then we create constant fetch data, and then we use constant data is equal to await axios.get, and then we pass the URL with our client ID, and we already has this client ID in the env.local file, and then we clear this and also delete this input, and then we can console log this data to see what happened inside. And now we are going to fetch the data, and I forgot to put the async. Now we can go to our website and go to the inspect, and go to the console. And we have to import the use effect, save it. Now we can see the data is like this, and we are going to find the URL, and we see this result. We have the ID, and when you scroll and click inside, we can get the link. So we are just want to have the link. We have to destructure this and get the links, and then get the downloads. So the first thing is we have to destructure the data and result. So instead of just using this, we have to use the curly bracket and then put the colon, and then we put the result, and then we try to console log the result to see what happened. And now you can see it is much cleaner. But now we just want to get the link, so which is inside this links property. So we are going to use the map function to just take the download link. So now we go to use constant edit result is equal to result.map, and then for each item we just get the item dot links dot download, because this is links and this is download, and then we console log the edited result. Now we can see the data. We can get all of the link without other unnecessary informations.